And here we go. I'm gonna try it out on my head first. You can see how it works. Like you see it before, okay? You check it out. Before and after. We'll try it here. It feels really well, really good actually. Goes very easy above, on top of the head, very smooth. See how that feels. Oh wow, that's really a really smooth shave there. So I'm just gonna use it here and show you. So this is what my hair looks like before, okay? So, and this is really smooth actually, yeah. I like the way it cuts and where it contours the skin and the head. So it looks like it's the real deal when it comes to shaving here. Okay? Check the face here, it's really close. You can see this thing work. Look at that. Nice and smooth. And like I said, it's not supposed to leave any razor bumps or anything like that, which is good. Because like I said, as a black male, it's very hard to find something to shave without having razor bumps pop out on your face. So that's why I was really interested in this product. And that's why I'm really trying it out. Let you know how it is, okay? So that's really smooth there. Look at that. So nice. Go back to my head. You can see the hair go away. Like I said, nice and easy. And yeah, it really feels really well. So I'm going to go to the right side now. You can see the hair here. Turn around so you can see it. Okay. There we go. Close to the camera. And yeah, this is a really good device. Give me a smooth shave. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see the back of my head, okay? So I'm actually gonna shave here. I think the best thing is if I'm actually in the camera and you can see it work. Well, you can see it for yourself. So if you have doubts or anything, like I said, best thing to do is try it out. See how you like it. This is what I'm doing right now. You can see. I mean, all this hair is going away. Nice and smooth. That's what it's about. You know? A well-groomed man. You got to be well-groomed no matter who you are. Like I said, and it's very important. So this right here really seems to be the real deal. And I can feel it right now, the smoothness, you know. When I finish, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do the whole hair, okay, the whole head, actually. You know. I see people doing half of it, half of this, but I'm gonna just take my time here and do the whole entire head so you can see it work magic, okay? You can see that already. Look at that, it's so smooth. Look at that, nice and smooth. Stay well groomed, gentlemen, stay well groomed. That's what it's about. You know, look your best always. You know, no matter who you are. And like I said, this is it feels good too. I don't feel any nicking or anything like that. The motor's smooth. It's not too loud. I've used other products before, the shavers, like I said, and this one, yeah. It definitely feels really well, good on the head. So I'm here. All right, doing a little face here. See how it contours the neck area, the chin. Yeah, so that's really good, nice smooth shave there. But check out the head. Look at that. I'm gonna double check in the mirror here to see if there's anything that I missed. But like I said, this feels really well. And there's even an extra blade here that they give you that you can use for other things also. Okay. And the charge is supposed to charge really fast. So, like I said, if you're traveling, this is the thing for you. You're going to work. You don't have time to be in the mirror in the morning. It's a time thing. You jump in the car, and as you drive, you can just do this. You know, but make sure you pay attention to the road, of course. Yeah. So, yeah, like I said, here you go. I'm showing you my head. It's a nice, smooth. There we go. Everything is everything now. Nice. But like I said, this right here definitely works really well. So you just saw it work now. You just saw me use it. I just keep going back through it. But like I said, I got a nice smooth shave, less than 5 minutes on my head. So you can use water. I'm not using water, but you can use water. It can be wet. You can use shaving cream. But I'm just using my natural skin, and that's it. So hit your face a little bit. There you go. But like main thing is, like I said, I was doing my head. Maybe I'll do another video later showing you how it does on the face. But my main thing is your head. And there you go. You see that? That's nice and clean. Like I said, you see the side profile. We back up here. Yeah, side profile. Around this side and turn around. So you have it. There you have it. Nice and smooth. And like I said, staying well groomed. This little thing right here, a life changer. So I recommend you get one. Check it out. You know, link will be in the description. Check it out. Get one. And until next time.